If your WordPress site takes more than 3 seconds to load, you're losing traffic, and most people are fixing the wrong thing. Hi everyone, it's Michael from webhostingcat.com. In this video, I'll show you why your WordPress website is slow and what you can fix to speed it up. The key to keep in mind about WordPress is that although it may not be the fastest platform out of the box, it actually isn't slow in itself. Your setup is. So, let's dive in and take a look at the root causes of a slow WordPress website. 1. Poor hosting. Here's the number one reason for slow WordPress sites. If your web hosting server is slow, no plugins or other adjustments are going to fix things. While there are some exceptions, most shared hosting environments consist of crowded servers and limited resources. It results in slow server response time, so your core web vitals suffer, resulting in high TTFB, etc. 2. Too many or heavy plugins. Because WordPress offers great flexibility and customization, it's easy to get carried away and install too many plugins with your website. Remember that each plugin you install adds to the load, and poorly coded plugins can lead to a massive slowdown. Also, though today's page builders have become very popular as they make creating your site faster and easier, they can also be very resource heavy. 3. Unoptimized images. Images can be another huge factor in slowing down your websites. If your WordPress site has a lot of large, uncompressed photos, then your pages can take much longer to load. This is especially true if you're not utilizing lazy loading. 4. No caching or poor caching setup. Images and static content are even more of a problem if you're not using caching or your web host. Caching setup is poor. If all of your content is constantly being reloaded every visit, then your site is going to be slower. 5. No CDN or poorly configured CDN. If you have or want to have a global audience for your website, then a CDN, Content Delivery Network, is a must. Without a CDN, your site visitors in other parts of the world have to actually access your web server that may be across the globe from where they're at. It can really slow down site loading times and cause increased latency. So now that we've identified the root causes for a slow-running WordPress site, what can we do about it? Step 1. Test your site's speed. I like to use GTmetrix and Google PageSpeed Insights. Run tests during different times of the day and night. Also, with GTmetrix, be sure to test using servers in different areas of the world. Don't just look at the performance and structure scores. Pay particular attention to your core web vitals, such as LCP, TTFB, and CLS. Step 2. Upgrade your hosting. As I mentioned, your web hosting has the biggest impact on your website speed. For example, when analyzing your speed test results, if your TTFB is high, then hosting is most likely the issue. If you're currently using shared hosting and are not happy with your site speed, then you should definitely consider switching to managed WordPress hosting. Unlike with standard shared hosting, a managed WordPress hosting provider such as Kinsta or Scala Hosting optimizes their servers and platforms for better performance that remove many bottlenecks automatically. Step 3. Enable caching. The best managed WordPress hosts include features such as edge caching to speed up performance. If your host does not include advanced caching, then you should install and activate a separate plugin. I personally like WP Rocket the best, but there are also other plugins available in the WordPress repository. Remember to address page caching, browser caching, and object caching. Step 4. Optimize images. Some managed WordPress hosts include automatic image compression. If your host does not, then utilize a plugin such as the EWWW Image Optimizer or ShortPixel. Step 5. Clean up plugins. Remove any unused plugins, and consider replacing heavier, bulkier plugins with more efficient ones. Step 6. Use a CDN. Again, the top managed WordPress hosting providers include a CDN, Content Delivery Network, with their hosting plans. If your host does not include one, sign up for one at Cloudflare. What to do when fixes aren't enough? If you've gone ahead and optimized everything and your WordPress site is still running slow, then hosting is very likely the culprit. You should definitely consider upgrading your hosting if you're seeing things such as high TTFB, inconsistent speed, or a slow backend. Through my many years of using WordPress as my website platform, I've come up with a specific speed stack that has worked out really well for me. You definitely want to include high-performance hosting, advanced caching, image optimization, CDN, and an efficiently designed theme. If you're looking for the best high-performing managed WordPress hosting, Kinsta is a great option. They are fast, reliable, and require low maintenance. I've tested multiple hosting providers. Check the full results in the link below. I've also got a free WordPress speed checklist you can download. Just click the link also in the video description below.